Hey guys, Ron here. I got another project I'm working on. I thought you guys might like to see this. I went back into my storage and grabbed a couple of my old cameras. This is a VX 2100 Sony SD, not HD. Incredible color, 3 CCD, incredible definition, incredible depth of field, but DV tapes. I'm not thrilled. But I'm going to start using these again because the quality is unsurpassed. So I got these little mini DV recorders. Takes an SD card. I'm experimenting with it. If that works, I can mount them on there and use these with a DV instead of a SD card instead of a DV tapes. Yeah, these are great cameras. So this thing takes video in, audio in, video out, audio out. Puts it on an SD card. It's in the slot here. And this is a great old camera. This thing, this was the choice of skateboarders. Actually, his cousin was. But this thing has viewfinder, auto and manual, everything. Manual, white balance, manual, iris. Just a fantastic camera. And the definition on a 3 CCD is amazing. And it's got a tape deck built in. The controls are here when you turn it on. Let's take a look at the picture real quick. And the battery lasts, you get 9 hours of shooting with this thing. This has a matte box. Flip a switch here, a mechanical. 3 shutters. Open and close here. So this is directly off the camera. Only ambient lighting. What's interesting is the depth of field focus you can do. Just amazing. This is color from no lights, just ambient lighting. They're very sensitive to it's got autofocus. Let's pop that on. So I don't know if you can see the richness of the colors, but I don't have an SD card installed. It's fun. Let me go to manual focus. It's got 2 zooms. So one on top is a quick zoom. I mean, the one on the top of the case, and the one on top of the handle is a slow zoom. It's got all manual controls for everything if you want. You can put them in auto. It's got a zoom handle here, record button here, Viewfinder here comes on when you close the viewfinder. No touch screens, nothing like that. Just good stuff. So the experiment is to let me pop an SD card in there and we'll record a little bit. As itself. So what I'll do is I'll make direct cables. So using these long ones, which are for testing. Okay, it's recording now. It's in recording mode. So, since it's recording, let's move this around, snoop around a little bit, and we'll do a quick playback.